Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best water jug spigot is probably one of the most underrated camping and outdoor accessories. Today, we're diving deep into the Reliance Water Jug Spigot, exploring its features, ease of use, and overall value. Whether you're a seasoned camper, a weekend warrior, or just someone who enjoys having easy access to water, this video is for you. We'll cover everything you need to know to decide if this spigot is the right fit for your needs. Number 5. Myvision 5-gallon water dispenser. This is the Myvision water dispenser. It's a convenient way to get fresh water. It's perfect for home, office, or even camping. The dispenser is designed for 3 to 5-gallon water bottles. It's easy to install and use. It fits a variety of jug sizes. It's made with BPA-free materials and food-grade silicone. It's safe for you and your family. The stainless steel and ABS plastic ensure durability. The built-in rechargeable battery lasts for weeks. You can get around 4 to 6 bottles of water on a single charge. It's very convenient. It's incredibly easy to use with a single switch. Even kids and elders can operate it. It pumps water quickly and efficiently. It pumps 1.5 L of water in just 60 seconds. It automatically stops after 60 seconds. It's designed for your convenience. A silicone lid is included for a secure fit. This helps the pump grip the bottle mouth. It's designed to fit multiple sized buckets. What we like. This electric water pump features convenient USB charging, making it easy to keep it powered up. It's also incredibly simple to use with a one-switch operation, perfect for all ages. Made with food-grade materials, it ensures your water remains safe and clean. If you are looking for a hassle-free and safe way to dispense water, especially for home or office use, this is a great choice. What people say. Works great with large water bottles. Easy to use. Button functions great. Press on, fill up. Press off. Great water pressure. Very durable and fits great. Easy to clean and recharge. It was easy to put together, sits fine on top of my 2 gallons container, and with just an easy push of a button dispenses the water right into my CPAP water unit. Number 4. Reliance 1.3x 3.5x 10.5 white spigot assembly. Looking for a dependable replacement spigot? This assembly is designed to provide a secure and lasting solution. It's built to last and easy to install. With dimensions of 1.3 inches by 3.5 inches by 10.5 inches, it's designed for a precise fit. This ensures optimal performance and prevents leaks. Made with high-quality materials, it's built to withstand daily use. You can count on it to provide reliable service for a long time. The design makes it easy to install, saving you time and effort. You won't need any special tools or skills to get it up and running. The clean white finish blends seamlessly with most fixtures. It not only functions well but also enhances the overall look. What we like. This replacement spigot is built for durability and reliability. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you need a straightforward and dependable solution for your water jug, this is the one to go for. What people say. The spigot is easy to install. It is a perfect replacement for the original spigot. The spigot works great. Number 3. Reliance Aqua-Tainer 7-gallon water container. This is the Reliance Aqua-Tainer, a 7-gallon water container. It's perfect for outdoor activities or emergency water storage. It's a reliable solution for your water needs. The Aqua-Tainer features a rigid, rectangular design. It also includes a molded contour grip for easy carrying. This makes it simple to transport when it's full. This container is designed to save space. You can easily store and stack it when empty. This is a great feature for saving space. It comes with a new and improved screw-on vent. It also has a hideaway spigot for on-demand water dispensing. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. Whether you're camping or preparing for an emergency, this container is ideal. It provides a convenient way to store and access water. You can count on it when you need it most. The Aqua-Tainer comes with a 5-year warranty. This warranty covers any manufacturer's defects. You can purchase with confidence knowing it is backed by a warranty. What we like. This water container offers a generous 7-gallon capacity, perfect for outdoor activities or emergency water storage. Its space-saving design allows for easy storage when empty. The built-in spigot provides on-demand water dispensing. If you need a reliable and convenient water storage solution for camping or emergencies, this is a great option. What people say. The spigot is easy to install. It is a perfect replacement for the original spigot. It works great. Number 2. Plastic drum faucet spigot, white flow 3/4 faucet. This faucet is made of high-quality, durable polyethylene material. It's designed to last, providing you with a reliable solution for dispensing liquids. You can count on it for long-term use. This spigot features a 1-inch outside diameter thread size. Please make sure this size fits your container before purchasing. It's designed for a secure and leak-proof fit. The faucet is portable and easy to disassemble, making it simple to clean. It's designed for convenience, allowing you to maintain it effortlessly. This feature ensures it remains hygienic. This faucet is designed for ease of use, with a simple mechanism for opening and closing. It provides a smooth flow control, making it easy to dispense liquids. This feature enhances the user experience. This faucet is widely used as a replacement spigot. It's compatible with various containers, including Winco jugs. It's a versatile solution to meet your needs. The 3/4 NPT spigot is perfect for 5 and 6-gallon jugs, water tanks, and oil drums. It makes pouring easier and more controlled. It is a great fit for your containers. What we like. This drum faucet is made of durable polyethylene, ensuring it lasts longer. It's also easy to clean and maintain. With its wide compatibility, it fits various jugs and drums. If you need a robust and versatile spigot for your water or oil drums, consider this one. What people say. These valves are perfect replacements. This valve fit and works great. No leaks. It doesn't leak, it does fit my beverage buddy, whose original spigot cracked. It's nice to be able to get parts, rather than having to replace an item that's otherwise still functional. Number 1. Igloo water cooler replacement spigot. Is your water cooler spigot broken? This replacement is designed to fit Igloo coolers. It's easy to install and will have you dispensing water again in no time. Made from BPA-free materials, this spigot is built to last. You can reuse it for a long time. It's a durable solution for your water cooler needs. This spigot is compatible with 2, 3, 5, and 10-gallon Igloo water coolers. It's a versatile replacement part. It's the perfect fit for various cooler sizes. The push-button design makes it easy to dispense water. Simply press the button, and the water flows. It's a convenient and user-friendly feature. This spigot is made from BPA-free materials, ensuring your water remains safe. You can enjoy fresh, clean water. It's a healthy choice for you and your family. What we like. This push-button water spigot is designed for easy dispensing. It's BPA-free, ensuring your water remains safe. Moreover, it's reusable, making it an eco-friendly choice. If you like a simple and safe way to dispense water from your cooler, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Fit well and works like a charm. Great option for leaking spigot on cooler. Easy to change out. Seals correctly, no leaks. This fit my water jug and it was easy to use. It was easy to install. No leaks. It is built decent and hasn't stopped working. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.